Your team is working on a shared document and you've put a lot of time into it. But you go to open it and everything is deleted. And all there is a red line at the top left corner. No need to panic. This just means that track changes is turned on and somebody on your team deleted the document accidentally or not accidentally. You can click on the red bar and you'll see everything that was deleted. And then you can go to the Review tab at the top and click on this Reviewing pane. And you can see who made the last change and what they deleted. Then you can go to that team member and ask them why they deleted it. And then you can click up here to reject that change. And your document is back.